Have you ever wondered why some machines last for years while others break down quickly? The secret is one simple word: maintenance. Maintenance means the work we do to keep something in good condition and working properly. In simple English, it is about taking care of things so they do not get damaged or stop working. The pronunciation of maintenance is maintenance. Maintenance is a noun. It refers to an action or process, not a quality or behavior. When we talk about maintenance, we often mean regular care, repair, or checking. For example, cleaning a machine, fixing small problems, or servicing a vehicle are all forms of maintenance. Without maintenance, even the best systems can fail. Common synonyms of maintenance include upkeep, regular care to keep something in good shape. Care, attention given to protect or improve something. Preservation, keeping something safe from damage. Servicing, checking and repairing equipment. Antonyms of maintenance are words like neglect, failing to take proper care. Abandonment, leaving something without support. Damage, harm caused by lack of care. Let's look at some real-life examples. The car needs regular maintenance to run smoothly. Good building maintenance keeps offices safe and clean. She spends time on self-care and mental health maintenance. Notice how maintenance can be used for machines, buildings, health, and even habits. It is a practical word that appears often in daily life, workplaces, and technical conversations. Think of maintenance as a small effort today that prevents big problems tomorrow. Whether it is technology, relationships, or personal health, maintenance plays a key role in long-term success. Understanding the word maintenance helps you sound more confident in professional and everyday English conversations. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive.